Hi, I'm Evelyn Yalung. I'm a franchise owner of Options for Senior America in Burlington, North Carolina. I chose Options for Senior America because of its long-standing history in the industry. I was also very impressed with the senior management team, their background and their experience, and their commitment to become the #1 non-medical in-home care. Becoming an Options franchise owner is very important to me because it has allowed me an opportunity to become a business owner in an industry that I'm passionate about. I was very close to my grandmother, and serving the elderly is just feels so great to me, and it's primarily for personal and business reasons. Now that I've owned the franchise for over a year and a half, what I see is the advantage of being with Options is the fact that we have a live-in program that is truly, truly competitive. I believe in that program because of our cost pricing structure. It really opens up the market or the service to many families who otherwise would not be able to afford that service. And I believe in that. I think that's our advantage. The best reward that I get from being an Options franchise owner is basically when the family members, neighbors, and friends come to thank you for what you have done for their parents. It's just a gratifying reward to hear that many thanks. Besides the personal satisfaction from owning a franchise, the financial reward also exceeded my expectation. What I could tell others about buying an Options franchise is that they have to look at a few things: the history, how long they have been around, the senior management team, what their background is, the support that you get from their corporate office, ranging from marketing to training to the systems, and the accessibility to the management team whenever you have a question. It's very important to be hearing from the top and at any time that you need their help.